behalf of Wiz Juniors 2016, powered by Clone Futura and Mrs. Vidushi Daga, I, Payal Shah, take immense pleasure in welcoming each one of you all here this beautiful morning. Juniors registrations kicked off on the 15th of November and they were open until the 28th of December. And we had an overwhelming response of 38,618 students that made us proud. More than 858 schools participated with us.
I would just like to share with you my thoughts when I was a teacher 40 years ago. When we underwent training in the Teachers Training College, first thing we were asked, are you carrying your teaching aids? Teaching aids are a must for a teacher. Today, of course, teaching aids are replaced by technology.
First prize winner, Miss Anya Punatar from Euro School, Navi Mumbai. We're also very grateful to Euro School because each and every child from this school participated. First runner-up, Master Arhant Jajodia from Hill Spring School, Mumbai. Second runner-up prize goes to Master Om Hemdev from D.Y. Patil School. The first prize, Ahan Fadnis. First runner-up, Sanvi Gulati from World School, New Delhi. Second runner-up, Anchal Kalgutkar, Children's Academy, Mumbai. And she has a tie with Srivardhan Agarwal from B.D. Somani International School, Mumbai. Inviting on stage yet another strong personality. Please put your hands together for Mr. Utpal Sheth from Aptech Group. The first prize, Aditya Anil, is from Campion School, Mumbai. First runner-up, Saksham Sood from Cathedral and John Connon School, Mumbai. There's a tie in the second runner-up between Ayush Kataria from Lakshadham School, Mumbai, and Divija Shah from Dhirubhai Ambani International School, Mumbai. I'd like to invite on stage a gentleman who's flown in all the way from London to be with us, Mr. Nitin Dahad, an engineer, a journalist, an entrepreneur. He is a mentor, an advisor to the British government's trade and investment bodies.
Thank you very much for all of that. I'm just going to say a little bit about some of the tech trends, but before I say that, it's quite important to know that 30 years ago I started as an electronic engineer, and one of the things I learned through my career is that it's not just about the technology, it's about the impact of the technology that it's going to make on life. And
Level 1, the second and third standard children. Larissa Ferro, Siddharth Pathak, Anant Bhartiya, Ankita Dharmani, Medhansh Mehta, Arav Jalan and Shresh Daga. For the level 2, Anoki Mehta, Adidev Gopalakrishnan, Lakshita Verma, Jeet De, Hussain Zariwala, Sauresh Gupta and Anaya Sheth. I'd like to invite Mrs. Malti Jain, who's here with us from the Times Group. A A huge round of applause for Mrs. Perrin Bugli and Mr. Nitin Dahad. He is the MD and CEO of Pepe Jeans Limited. He brings along 16 plus years of professional and entrepreneurial experience.
I wanted to speak to you guys about who I am, what have I done, and more importantly, what are the things which young guys should do, because I wanted the session to be more interactive.
He's going to leave us asking for more. Please put your hands together for Lieutenant Colonel A. Shekhar, a former officer with the Army Educational Corps. He's with us all the way from Gujarat.
To follow up on what the jeans man spoke about, don't listen to your principals, don't listen to your teachers. That's much the way forward for most of us. But I'll try and bring in a perspective which is much more a combination of what the armed forces is all about and what we are doing in schools today.
Mr. Shyam Singhania on the dais from the NR group to felicitate our two speakers, Mr. Kavindra and Mr. Shekhar. Yet another interesting speaker, Mr. Kapil Hetamsaria ji. He is from Velvet Case, a very young entrepreneur, and he will share with us his experiences of how heading Microsoft was to becoming the CEO of a startup.
Good morning, folks. First of all, it's a real honor for me to be here in front of all of you. Thank you, kids, parents, teachers, principals, and I think the great team of Clone Futura to have truly created, I think, something which is differentiated in our world, taking every step towards making kids digitally empowered and senior citizens digitally empowered, towards making sure that we are keeping in trends with what the future is.
Give away level 3, 4th to 10th rank prizes. Can I have Poojan Vachara Jani, Mr. Siddharth Sharma, Lakshadham School, Master Atharva Pingle, GD Somani, Master Dhruv Parasampuria, Gokuldham High School, Master Ashwat Jain, Ryan International School, Master Sparsh Dak, and Master Arhant Bubna. Also Shreyan Daga, the head of SPJN Global Management School, Shri Amit Das Gupta. Can we have you on dais here to share with us your thoughts and perceptions on this?
What do you think is the most important thing you do in life? I'd say that the most important thing that many of us might be doing in life is actually to take a decision.
The principal of JBCN International School, Mrs. Debika Chatterjee, to felicitate our enthusiastic speakers. Ms. Jayashree Narayan from Gokuldham School, if I can have you on stage, ma'am. Level 4, Ms. Vanshika Barlota, Srivani International School, Bangalore. First runner-up, Master Digyan Kumar, St. John's High School, Chandigarh. And second runner-up, Master Aryan Sira from Amity International School, Lucknow. Thank you, Ms. Jayashree. Thank you for gracing today's occasion. Ms. Sangeeta Thakkar from Green Lawn School. Join us for giving away level 4, the 4th to 10th rank winners. Snehdeep Mundargi, Raiwood International School. Riya Kumari, Euro School. Mihir Sechpal, Pawar Public School. Neil Amonkar, Rastamji International School. Aryan Nagaraj, Anupriya Sakseria, Kaustav Maskar, and Anaya Sheth. Said there were 858 schools that participated, but there were certain schools whom we'd like to tag as the most tech-savvy schools. Euro School is followed by the Activity High School, Pedder Road. Aditya Birla World School. We have received maximum participation from these schools where computers is an integral part of their curriculum. I'd like to invite Dr. Malpani on the dais, please. He is India's biggest retina surgeon, level 5 award winners. The first prize winner, Krishna Bhaiya from Sishya School. First runner-up, Ritik Shah from Aditya Birla World Academy, Mumbai. Second runner-up, Salil Naik, Mushtifund High School, Panaji.
Manju ji is a poetess, a writer, she is a housewife, and she does so much more than that. They actually do a lot for the society, the entire Lodha Foundation. So we have been training under their umbrella more than 12,000 plus senior citizens.
और कंप्यूटर की जो शिक्षा दे रही है विदुषी, क्योंकि आज का ज़माना ही कंप्यूटर का है। कंप्यूटर ने पूरी दुनिया को एक कर दिया है, दूरियों को बहुत ही सीमित कर दिया है। हम जो चाहें तो एक बटन दबाकर हम पूरी दुनिया की जानकारी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। इसलिए मैं बच्चों से कहना चाहती हूँ कि अपने सुखों को सेव करिए, दुखों को डिलीट करिए, दोस्तों को एंटर करिए, दुश्मनों को हाइड करिए। चरित्र को हार्डवेयर बनाइए, हृदय को सॉफ्टवेयर बनाइए, मन को फ्लॉपी सा सहज बनाइए और तन को सीढ़ी सा चमकाइए। अच्छी बातों को रूढ़ करें और बुरी बातों को अंडू करें। मेरी इन बातों को अपनी ज़िंदगी के कंप्यूटर में फीड करें ताकि आपकी ज़िंदगी का कंप्यूटर कभी भी हैंग या हाइक नहीं होगा।
Thank you so much, everyone, all the principals. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for being here. It's because of you that we had the competition and it has reached this far. I would like to thank all our eminent speakers to give us time, come in, and at least they have empowered the audience, so that's been wonderful. I would like to thank the media who has been very generous to be here. Thank you everybody for being here with my heart. Have a wonderful day, please.
I'd like to thank the main core of Clone Futura, the main heartbeat of Clone Futura, our trainers, our teachers, who have empowered more than 50,000 seniors, kids and housewives at their home.
I dream of a digital India where knowledge is strength and empowers the people. I dream of a digital India where access to information knows no barriers.